Closer to around 12:31 a.m. We did have a few storms move through areas like Veneta and Pryor, but now all of that up to the northeast. We're waking up this morning, though, with lots of humidity, so you're going to be feeling that moisture in the air. Here's a look at downtown Tulsa this morning from our Brookside camera view, and then down towards the Renaissance Hotel this morning. Dry roadways, which is a big change from where we were yesterday at this time. We're starting our day off with showers and storms across parts of the area. But now, again, just a few high-level clouds. Definitely a muggy start. Winds are at about 13 miles an hour, and temperatures are at 78 degrees in Tulsa, with low to mid 70s pretty much all across the area. A couple of upper 70s out there, though, as well. Here's your future track. Partly cloudy skies are expected throughout the day today. We're going to watch those temps warm up into the 90s this afternoon. We'll get up to 93 in Tulsa, 92 this afternoon if you're in Muskogee or Bristow, about 90 in Stillwater. And then heading into tonight. Now, this model is bringing in showers and storms earlier than I think they'll come. I think that by 8 p.m., they're going to be closer up towards that border. By 10 p.m., we'll start to see a few of these showers and storms. 10 to 11, we'll start to see a few of these move into portions of green country, mainly the north and northeastern portions of the state, and then the bulk of it being up into portions of Missouri. So this model is really not getting the best handle on what might be happening later on tonight. Again, remember, it's going to be closer to around 10 to 11 o'clock. A few of those may linger into the early morning hours. And again, that chance for severe weather, mainly up to the northeast. We're looking at about a marginal risk here in Tulsa, slight risk for seeing a few of these storms become stronger to severe there, closer to Grove and Joplin. With that, it's going to be gusty winds really that are our main threat. You may see some small hail develop as well. Tomorrow morning, then we're going to see those showers move out, and we'll wake up with temps in the 70s, and then it's going to be a toasty one for us as we head through the day on Wednesday. But for today, which is Tuesday, we're going to see a high of 93 degrees. We're going to be looking for breezy conditions. We'll be seeing partly cloudy skies, and then that chance for some storms later on tonight. Tomorrow, after the showers move out early, we're going to see warm conditions. So the heat really builds in. We're going to be near triple-digit temps on Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. And then by the weekend, we're back in the mid-90s. There's another chance for a few scattered showers possible on Sunday.